Qualities of people with Pisces Sun Sign. Individuals with a Pisces Sun sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the sensitive and intuitive nature of Pisces. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Pisces Sun sign. Compassionate and empathetic. Pisces Sun individuals are highly compassionate and empathetic. They have a deep understanding and sensitivity towards the emotions and experiences of others. They are often willing to lend a helping hand and provide emotional support to those in need. Creative and imaginative. They have a rich inner world and a vivid imagination. Pisces Sun people are often drawn to creative pursuits such as art, music, writing, and acting. They have a natural ability to tap into their intuition and express themselves in unique and imaginative ways. Intuitive and spiritual. They have a strong connection to their intuition and inner guidance. Pisces Sun individuals are often highly attuned to the subtle energies around them and may have a deep interest in spirituality and metaphysical subjects. They trust their gut instincts and rely on their intuition to navigate through life. Dreamy and idealistic. They have a dreamy and idealistic nature. Pisces Sun people often have a rich fantasy life and may be prone to daydreaming. They have a natural inclination to see the beauty and magic in the world, and they often hold on to idealistic visions for their own lives. Sensitive and empathic. They have heightened emotional sensitivity and are deeply affected by the emotions of others. Pisces Sun individuals are prone to absorbing the energies of their environment, and may need time alone to recharge and process their emotions. They are compassionate listeners and offer a non-judgmental space for others to express themselves. Gentle and kind-hearted. They have a gentle and kind-hearted nature. Pisces Sun people are often seen as gentle souls who have a natural warmth and understanding towards others. They have a nurturing energy and may be drawn to caring professions where they can make a difference in people's lives. Romantic and idealistic in love. They have a romantic and idealistic approach to love and relationships. Pisces Sun individuals are often deeply in tune with their emotions, and are capable of profound love and devotion. They seek deep emotional connections and may be drawn to soulful and spiritual connections. Flexible and adaptive. They have a natural flexibility and adaptability. Pisces Sun people can go with the flow and adjust to different situations and circumstances. They are often able to see multiple perspectives and find creative solutions to challenges. Escapist tendencies. They may have a tendency to escape from reality at times. Pisces Sun individuals may seek solace in daydreaming, creative pursuits, or indulging in imaginative worlds. They may also be prone to using various forms of escapism such as art, music, or spirituality to cope with the challenges of life. Introspective and mystical. They have an introspective nature and are often drawn to explore the deeper mysteries of life. Pisces Sun people may have a strong interest in spirituality, mysticism, and the metaphysical. They are often seekers of truth and may find solace and inspiration in connecting with the unseen realms. It's important to note that the sun sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets and the individual's complete birth chart, can further influence their personality and behavior.